I know how overwhelming it can be to sift through endless options when you're shopping for tactical gear. After buying and testing these tactical plate carriers myself, I'm here to share my honest experiences. Let's cut through the marketing fluff and find the gear that's truly worth your hard-earned money.
Product number 1, Green City Weight Vest. When I first got my hands on the Green City Weight Vest, I was intrigued by its rugged design and adjustable features. Weighing in at just 1.5 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight yet built tough with 600D fabric. I found that the quick-release buckle system was a game changer. I could easily put it on and take it off, which was essential during my intense workouts. The vest fits a range of sizes, accommodating anyone from small to triple XL, and it was refreshing to see a product that genuinely considers various body types. The front and back pockets are designed for weight plates, up to 50 pounds, which made it perfect for my strength training sessions. During my runs, the 3D mesh lining kept me cool, and the vest handled sweat and dirt like a champ. However, I did find that while it's great for training, it might not provide the same level of tactical utility as other options for combat scenarios. If you're looking for a versatile training vest that performs well under pressure, the Green City Weight Vest is a solid pick. It's affordable, practical, and comes with a customer guarantee, so you know you're making a smart investment.
Product number 2, G-Fire Tactical Vest. The G-Fire Tactical Vest caught my eye due to its ultra-lightweight and modular design. Made from 1000D fabric, it's built for durability without sacrificing mobility. I appreciated the fully adjustable straps, which allowed me to customize the fit perfectly. During my airsoft sessions, I noticed how the breathable 3D mesh kept me cool, even in intense situations. One feature that stood out was the quick release system. In an emergency, I could shed the vest within seconds, something I didn't take lightly. The inclusion of a map pouch and multiple modular panels was fantastic for storage and organization. However, I did find that the minimalist design might limit some users who want more attachment options. If you're after a tactical vest that combines comfort with functionality, the G-Fire Tactical Vest delivers. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, you can trust in its quality and longevity. Product number 3, Vodagoo Gear Plate Carrier. When I tried the Vodagoo Gear Plate Carrier, I was impressed with its robust construction from 500D nylon. It felt incredibly durable during my outdoor training sessions. The adjustable shoulder straps made it easy for me to achieve a comfortable fit. I also appreciated the hydration tube routing feature. This small touch made a big difference during long workouts. The quick-release safety system made it easy to take off in a hurry, which is always a plus in tactical situations. The MOLLE webbing provided ample customization options for my gear, but I found that the storage could be a bit limited without additional pouches. Ultimately, if you're seeking a plate carrier that boasts durability and adaptability while remaining comfortable for extended wear, the Vodagoo Gear Plate Carrier is worth considering. It's a solid choice for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Product number 4, Bomb Turn Tactical Vest. The Bomb Turn Tactical Vest offered a surprisingly high-quality feel for its price point. When I slipped it on, the adjustable shoulder straps felt secure yet comfortable, and I loved the breathable material that kept me cool during gameplay. The MOLLE system allowed me to customize my setup with ease, attaching pouches and other gear. One of the most notable features was the quick release system, which allowed for a swift exit from the vest if needed. However, while the vest is versatile, I did notice that it might not be as suitable for heavy-duty tactical operations, where maximum load-bearing capacity is required. Still, if you're looking for an affordable, well-constructed tactical vest for outdoor activities or airsoft, Bomb Turn is a fantastic option. It combines practicality with comfort, making it a great addition to your gear. Product number 5, the MG Flash Force Tactical Vest. The MG Flash Force Tactical Vest stood out with its durable construction and ergonomic design. I put this vest to the test during several outdoor activities, and it held up beautifully. The thickened shoulder pads and mesh lining distributed weight evenly, which made a significant difference during prolonged wear. The included placards were a thoughtful touch, allowing me to switch between different setups quickly. The MOLLE webbing provided ample room for customization, which I found essential for my gear organization. However, I did wish there were more options for additional pouches right out of the box. For anyone seeking a tactical vest that balances comfort, durability, and functionality, the MG Flash Force Tactical Vest is an excellent choice. It's built to last and accommodates various activities, making it a versatile option.
In conclusion, each of these tactical plate carriers has its unique strengths and potential drawbacks. Whether you're training, engaging in airsoft, or preparing for outdoor adventures, there's something here for everyone. Choose the one that best fits your needs, and you won't regret investing in quality gear that stands the test of time.